NeSs-aNA TV. Hello, who's there? It's my friends. My name is Mrs. NeSs-aNA, and guess what? We have a new topic today. Hello, friends. Welcome to the channel. How are you? You're fine. I'm fine too. Don't forget, my name is Mrs. NeSs-aNA, and then today we are going to be learning a new topic, and that is two-letter words. Again, two-letter words. Two-letter words are two letters that come together and they make a word. Let's go to the class and learn about that. Hello boys and girls, welcome to the class. Our topic for today is two-letter words. Again, two-letter words. Now, what are two-letter words? We said two-letter words are those words that have two letters in them. Words with two letters are called two-letter words. Words with two letters are called two-letter words. Now let's look into some examples of two-letter words. A-S, as. Again, A-S, as. A-T, at. A-T, at. A-M, arm. A-M, arm. Are you repeating after me? A-N, arm. A-N, arm. An apple. D-O, do. D-O, do. G-O, go. G-O, go. O-N, arn. O-N, arn. On the table. T-O, two. T-O, two. S-O, so. S-O, so. These are two-letter words. I-N, in. I-N, in. Good job. I-T, it. It is a girl. It is a boy. I-S, is. I-S, is. Good job. H-E, he. H-E, he. B-E, bee. B-E, bee. B-Y, buy. B-Y, buy. Can you see they have two letters? Thumbs up. Good job. Hello, welcome back. How was the class? I hope you enjoyed yourself because I had some fun. I got to know that A-N is a two-letter word and they can be pronounced an. AS is a two-letter word, as. Oh, BY is a two-letter word, by. BE is a two-letter word, be. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Okay, that will be the end of today's class. Don't forget that this is NeSs-aNA loves you. Bye and see you next time.